In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the multi-time period indicator in Tradingview. This feature allows you to enhance your trading analysis by providing insights across different timeframes all in one chart. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, understanding how to utilize this indicator can refine your strategy and improve decision making. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, we'll start by navigating to Tradingview, which is a widely used platform for charting and analysis in the trading community. If you're not already familiar with it, you'll find its feature-rich environment quite beneficial for technical analysis. Once you're on Tradingview, look for the Supercharts feature. This is where you'll access the advanced charting capabilities that Tradingview offers. The Supercharts give you a different level of detail and precision, essential for comprehensive analysis. Next, direct your attention to the Indicators option within Supercharts. This is your gateway to thousands of indicators that Tradingview hosts, from professional-grade tools to community scripts. Once you click on Indicators, move your cursor to the search box. Here, you'll want to type in multi-time period charts. As you type, you'll see a list of options populate below. Select the one specifically marked as the multi-time period indicator. Upon selecting it, you'll immediately notice that the multi-time period charts indicator will appear on your existing chart setup. What makes this tool powerful is its ability to overlay multiple timeframes, such as daily, weekly, or monthly views, directly onto your current chart. This feature can be a game changer by enabling you to observe broader trends while simultaneously considering short-term movements, all on one screen. Now, let's talk about customizing the indicator according to your preferences. Click on the settings icon, which provides you options to tailor the chart to suit your analysis style. Here you can make various tweaks, like adjusting the timeframes of interest, altering visual aspects such as colors, and even modifying line types for clearer visibility. Feel free to experiment with these settings, as everyone's trading strategy and visual preferences can differ. These small adjustments can actually make a significant impact on how information is conveyed to you. Finally, after you've customized your settings, take a moment to evaluate your chart with the applied multi-time period charts indicator. Review the aggregated data, mix it with your own market insights, and make more informed predictions. This step should help you highlight any interesting market dynamics you might have otherwise missed. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using the multi-time period indicator in Tradingview. With this tool in your arsenal, you can streamline your trading strategies with a more holistic approach. Keep practicing and refining your use of these indicators, and you'll become more adept at spotting trends and making calculated decisions.